How to change currency in Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Shopify and register or log in with your existing Shopify account. And from its homepage, just click the settings which is located below the left side panel. And upon doing so, it will lead you in here. And from these settings, kindly click the store details. And under the store details, you will see your information about your store, billing information, and store currency. And to change the currency, all you need to do is to click on the up and down arrow on the store currency, in which it will show you a variety of currencies around the world. And as you can see, I choose Hong Kong dollars as currency. And to save changes, kindly click Save. So that is just how to change currency in Shopify. Thank you.